The end of the fluorescent tube has been announced. What does this mean for existing lighting systems? What alternatives are there and what needs to be considered? In recent years, we developed many efficient and long-lasting LED alternatives, so you don't have to be afraid that it will suddenly turn dark. What are good reasons for a change to LED technology? On the one hand, of course, the environmental aspect and energy saving. I brought an example for this. In this case, let's look at a parking garage with 100 lighting points. These are in continuous operation. That means the lighting is switched on 24 hours a day on 7 days a week. Especially here, it is of course worthwhile to switch to long-lasting and energy-saving LED alternatives. In this case, we have used our Substitute T8 advanced LED tubes. The operator was able to save 65% CO2 emissions and electricity costs. The total costs are reduced by 62%. Amortization, that means the time after the installation of the LED tube is economically worthwhile for the operator, was reached after only 2.5 months. Using sensor technology, you can see in these examples, is of course saving much more energy. Suitable for this is our Substitute connected system consisting of LED tubes and sensors that can be installed with only a screwdriver. Which project-related requirements should be considered furthermore? Firstly, there's energy efficiency. Traditional fluorescent lamps have an efficiency of 85 lumen per watt. With our Substitute LED tubes from LEDVANCE, you can reach up to 175 lumen per watt. That means it's really worth it for your project. A second point to consider is the luminous flux. In your project, of course, the existing lighting level should be maintained or maybe even increased. In our portfolio, you can find LED tubes with up to 4100 lumen, so you can for sure find the right one for your project. The next topic is lifetime. A traditional fluorescent lamp lasts up to 20,000 hours. With our Substitute LED tubes, you can more than triple this time. Our LED tubes last up to 75,000 hours, and we even give a 5-year warranty on this. Two more points which could be possibly important for your projects are shatter protection and certifications. Especially in food production, there are high safety standards. Therefore, it's very important that the glass LED tube is equipped with shatter protection, which in the case of glass breakage prevents glass fragments from falling into production. Our LED tubes from the Substitute Pro segment are equipped with this and are also VDE certified so that you and your customers can be sure to meet the safety requirements. Now, we already heard a lot about why is the change to LED technology worthwhile. Let's get to the how. First and foremost, it is of course important to care about an environmentally friendly disposal of waste equipment when changing components. Let's start with the retrofit in a CCG-operated luminaire. If you are unsure whether CCG or ECG luminaires are installed in your project, we summarize 2 tips for you in a short video, and you can find the link in the description below. When we work in an electrical system, of course the most important thing is always to switch off the power and, if necessary, also fuse an earth leakage circuit breaker. Then I can start removing the traditional fluorescent lamp from the luminaire. Next, we remove the starter, and then we can already start installing the LED technology. We insert the LED starter into the luminaire. And then we insert our LED tube. Now we're already finished and can switch on the power again and conduct a test. It's working. In the case of an ECG, the procedure is identical. As you can see, we did not perform any structural changes to the luminaire. We only carried out a lamp replacement. Identical how you would do it if you would just be replacing a traditional fluorescent lamp. That means the CE declaration and also the insurance coverage of the existing luminaires remain. You can find more video tutorials on LED tubes as an alternative to fluorescent lamps on our YouTube channel, and further information on our products on our website www.ledvance.com.